Hello friends, welcome to Trending Tube. I hope you all are doing great. Today we have another IKEA product with us, which is IKEA HALVTOM. It's a salt and pepper shaker, and it is a stylish brown glass spice jar that brings a trendy restaurant like feel to your kitchen. Its sculptural shape looks great by the stovetop or on the dining table. Its top is made up of polypropylene plastic and the body is made up of glass, and it's a sturdy product. You can use them for salt, pepper or any finely ground spices you like to add at the table while cooking. The see-through brown glass lets you spot when you are running low, and you simply unscrew the cap to refill it. The product description says it's a restaurant inspired design that doubles as a table decor. The brown glass helps protect spices from daylight, preserving the flavor longer. Easy refill with the screw cap. The shaker screw cap also fits HALVTOM 300 ml jar to mix and match as per the convenience. It's suitable for salt, pepper and any other spices. When it comes to the measurement, the product height is around 12 cm and the diameter is around 6 cm, and you get it in a single or a pack of 2. The single pack cost around $1.99, which is around $2.3 and the pack of 2 cost around $3.99 in INR, which is around 4.7 in USD. The product is absolutely dishwasher safe. If you want functional spice shakers that look as good as they work, then HALVTOM brings that modern restaurant vibe straight to your kitchen and dining table. Simple in design but does a great job. It has a good size too, and you don't have to refill it too soon. I hope you like this video. Do like, comment and subscribe to get more videos on product reviews like this. See you next time. Till then, bye. Take care.